Hello there. Have you ever felt like the world of technology is just moving too fast for you? Or have you ever felt like your smartphone is trying to outsmart you? Then you're in exactly the right place. I'm Mark, and this is my tech table. Now I know what it's like. You buy a new gadget, you open the box, and it's like reading a totally different language. Buttons don't do what they're supposed to, and an update changes everything overnight. And the jargon, it just makes your head spin, doesn't it? But here's the thing, technology is a tool and it should help you, not the other way round. It's meant to help us keep in contact with children, grandkids, organise our photos and keep us safe online. On this channel we're going to strip away all the fluff. We'll cover the basics of your phone and your tablet. We'll find the best budget-friendly tech that actually work, and we'll tackle online safety so you can actually browse online with peace of mind. We'll even take a look at artificial intelligence. Not a scary sci-fi concept, but as a practical helping hand for your daily life. There are no silly questions here. We'll just take things one step at a time, at a pace that suits us. No shouting, no flashy gadgets, just honest, simple advice. So if you'd like to join me, why not pull up a chair? And while you're at it, tap the subscribe button down below. And let's make technology simple together. I'm Mark, and I'll see you at the table for our very first lesson very soon.